In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide comments on Instagram story. Now, before we get started, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find your profile icon. So this will take you to your profile. Now, on your profile, go ahead and click on the menu button. And here, go ahead and look for comments. So you'll find comments under how others interact with you. Go ahead and click on the stories under who can comment. This will allow you to change your settings for your story comments. And here, go ahead and click on off. And this will allow you to disable comments on your stories. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out.